If you want to hard reset your Motorola smartphone by using recovery mode, then first of all, in order to go to the recovery mode, we need to open the power menu. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, just like that. And then over here, you want to restart your phone. But once you restart, you also want to press and hold volume down button afterwards. So tap on restart and then press and hold volume down. Now we need to keep holding volume down button until we open the fast boot mode. So just keep holding this button. And there we go. Now we are in the fast boot. I mean. We can use volume buttons in order to choose a different option. So we want to make sure that recovery mode is selected over here and confirm by pressing the power button. Now we need to wait for the phone to restart. And there is a chance that you will see a dead Android logo with no command text on the screen, just like that. So if that's the case, you want to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, you want to also press volume up. So it looks like this. There we go. Now we are in the Android recovery mode. And in here we navigate with volume buttons as well, just like before, and you confirm your choice by using the power button. So we need to select the wipe data / factory reset option and confirm with the power button. And then over here go to factory data reset and once again confirm your choice with the power button. If you happen to go back to the recovery mode afterwards, after you erase everything, then you want to choose reboot system now to restart your phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.